This is the lobby of a beautiful Art Deco building, 70 Pine here in New York City. And I just love the attention to detail and the beautiful design that you see all around. But I'm most amused by the difference between the outside world and the inside world. I think we take modern engineering for granted and don't realize how much of a big difference it is to go into these modern structures and how well they maintain such a peaceful atmosphere. Today, I think somehow weather-wise, there's high pressure outside, so there's a nice hum coming in. You can hear it. But this is very funny. When you open up the door, I'm not sure what exactly are the dynamics of engineering or construction with the door, but look what happens. Now that's a scary sound. Oh no, I'm just amused by this.